Hello again, everybody. I will briefly add a voiceover here and there to explain what's going on. The first tool I fix is this FESTOOL mixer that as you can see has a cable break somewhere near the handle, which I find very common with mixing drills. I will just cut away the part of the cable that has a break and reattach it to the switch as before. Wiggling the cable around is a great way to troubleshoot quickly if the cable is the issue without even taking the tool apart. I like to always clean the switches and contacts using contact cleaner whenever I take the tool apart. In this one I soldered back the original connectors, which made this fix slightly trickier than normal cable break repairs. That should be it for this one. This is a pretty simple fix and anybody can do this, and you would be surprised how many tools are thrown away just because they have a cable break.